Late at night, Lily heard a sound coming from downstairs. Lily lived in a quiet home with her loving family. But tonight, something felt different. She heard footsteps, slow, heavy, getting closer. Her family stayed calm and locked every door. Outside, someone was there. He was not dangerous, just desperate. A father named John. Lily felt scared, but she stayed brave. But then, another sound came from inside. It wasn't a thief. It was just little Bandit, a naughty ferret. Lily smiled. Everything was okay. Not every shadow is dangerous. Because sometimes, the scariest shadows are just looking for a way home.